Hi there. Do you want to grow your business organically without affecting your cash flow? Are you a business owner struggling to improve profit margin while reducing your overheads cost? Having a web presence alone is no longer enough, as online activities continue to shift to mobile. National statistics reveals that 85% of people search for businesses using their smartphone. Hence, smartphone apps have become an important marketing tool for business owners to stay competitive. At Mobi Apps, we develop mobile business apps with cutting-edge business solutions. Here at Mobi Apps, our experts deliver bespoke business app solutions tailored specifically to your business, accessible across all mobile platforms. You benefit increased business foot traffic, save money on marketing, reduce overhead cost, earn your customer loyalty, and most of all, increase profit margin. Jump straight into the hands of your customers and get front row seats. Then watch as your business booms with your own personalized and branded app. Don't just take our word for it. Request your free demo app at www.mobiapps.co.uk or contact us on 020-858-13036. Tiny investment, big rewards. Mobi Apps. We build, we publish, you grow.